Can y'all tell what time it is? Look at all this red, y'all. Look at this. Isn't that the cutest cake plate? Who gave me this?
I think you said Debbie. Debbie.
Yes, that's exactly right. My daughter-in-law's mother, Debbie, gave this to me for Christmas, and I thought it was so cute. And we're going to use it today, y'all, because I'm making a vanilla gooey butter cake cookie. And the only thing that I would recommend for y'all is this is a soft cookie. If you like soft cookies, you're really going to like it. But if you like crispy cookies, you might want to stay away from this. And this needs to be served on the day that you bake them, really. Unless you put them in a real airtight container. May last for a couple of days, but wait until you're having that party to make these, okay? All right, so we're gonna start by creaming our cream cheese and our butter until it's nice and creamy. So here we go. Let the party start. All right, now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, my homemade vanilla. If you're wanting to give vanilla extract as a Christmas gift to your friends, you better step on it because it needs to sit for a while to really get its full flavor. All right. Now the egg. It's basically the same ingredients as our gooey butter cake. We're just doing them in a little different form. 1 box of vanilla cake mix. So this is really like, you know, the gooey butter cake, how you do your base. This is basically the base that we're gonna form into Christmas cookies. And this is the first Christmas cookie of the 12 Christmas cookies of Christmas. Did y'all understand what I just said? Because I'm not sure I did. But we're starting the 12 days of Christmas cookies, and this is the first one in honor of our gooey butter cakes.
We just still get so many rave reviews on that.
I know. I don't know if y'all heard what Teresa said, but
it gets rave reviews. So it's actually the reason why we picked this one is because
yes,
we're kind of known for it.
Yeah, kind of known for that gooey butter cake. All right, now you can see this is sticky. So we are gonna put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours because we're gonna roll this into balls and then we're gonna roll it in confectionate sugar. So I will be right back. All right. Our gooey butter cake cookies is nice and chilled. Now I'm gonna make them into like tablespoon size. And I may ask Teresa to come over here and help me ball these up because it's gonna get soft as, you know, as the batter's gonna start to get soft again as we leave it out. So might want to recruit some help for this one. I'm glad Teresa jumped in here to help me because our dough is starting to get soft, and you know when you put it in your hands and your body heat and all that stuff. So you may want to leave half of it in the refrigerator. And you'll notice that I love these whole sheets of parchment paper that fit into your your baking sheets. I love it. It makes it so much easier. So 350, 12 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. 12 minutes on these beautiful cookies. And now remember, they're soft. You don't have to add any more powdered sugar, but you know me. I wanted snowballs. Snowballs. Big snowballs. So, they look good. Just remember, they're a soft cookie. If you're not going to eat them today, make sure you secure them, you know, in a air-free bag. I swear, Eddie, I think I don't eat gooey butter cake. Gooey butter cake. Gooey butter cake. So good. Merry Christmas, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.